Let me show you the best way to make jerk chicken for it to be as authentic as possible, especially when you're using your oven. Starting off, I'm gonna make the marinade. I'm using 1 whole onion, half a sweet pepper, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and some thyme. I also added some pimento seeds, 2 spoons of jerk seasoning, that's powder jerk seasoning, and a little browning, and then I added some white vinegar, and then I'm gonna blend that together. I'm gonna rest that aside. I have some cleaned washed chicken. I'm gonna season with onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt, a little Maggi, and the jerk marinade that I made. I'm gonna let the chicken sit overnight. You'll get the best flavor when you do that. So when I'm gonna do it in the oven, I'm gonna do it on the oven grill. I'm gonna ensure I wash and clean that. After I dried it, I sprayed some oil just for the chicken not to stick. I then added my chicken on the tray, and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven. I baked it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. I did add a pan of water underneath the chicken for it not to dry out, and it worked very well. And this is the finished look, guys. It was so good, tastes authentic, and I did pair it with some pineapple mango jerk sauce. I am gonna let you guys know the recipe for that, and I hope you try.